Hey, Casey Rae here. So I'm excited, I'm nervous, I really don't know how to feel, but I'm super excited to do this video for you guys. So for Christmas, I got a Ancestry DNA kit. I've literally been wanting a DNA kit for literally forever. They went on sale over the holidays and we were able to snag one of those. So that was my big Christmas present and the results are finally in and I'm so pumped to do this video for you guys. I have not seen the results. So this is gonna be a full-fledged reaction video. I have no idea what it says. Before I share those results with you guys, I did wanna kind of give you a little bit of background about me and my heritage. That way you'll understand why this is so important to me. I really wanna tell this with the most sensitivity that I can possibly muster up, because it is a sensitive subject in my family and I don't want to offend anyone and I don't want to upset anyone. That's the last thing I want to do, but I do want to share my story with as much sensitivity as I can. So for my whole life, I have known that my dad is half Thai. He was born actually in Thailand and his parents met during the Vietnam War. So my grandmother is full-blooded Thai, and she met my dad's father in while he was fighting in the Vietnam War. That's what I believed my whole life. Well, a couple of years back, he actually found out that the man who raised him was not, in fact, his real father. Now, I'm not going to go into any details about that because I myself don't know all the details. There's a lot of questions. And we don't really have the answers to them. Now, I can understand maybe where she was coming from. I'm sure that she was scared. I'm sure that she probably just wanted to come to America. There's probably a lot of things that was going on in her life, and I can understand that. So this is not to throw shade at my grandmother. This is not to hurt her feelings. This is just simply to tell you my story and my dad's story. Now flip this script on my other side of the family. My mom, she actually passed away when I was 3 years old. She was killed in a car train wreck. That's not pertinent to the story, but just to give you some background. So I was actually raised by my grandmother. So my grandma, she's always known this, but I didn't always know this. She was actually not raised by her real father either. The man who raised her, she always called him dad or daddy, and that's who I believed her dad was up until I was nearly an adult. Well, we found out that that wasn't her real dad, and turns out she had all of these brothers and sisters that we didn't know about, which was really awesome because it's been really cool getting to know them. Side note, the way that she actually met them was insane. She was literally just sitting in a theater talking to the person next to her and found out that was her brother. That's wild. Anyway, back to the topic. I just wanted to share that background with you guys because there is so much mystery with my heritage. Not that it matters. At the end of the day, I'm still gonna be who I am. I'm still me. I'm still gonna have the same family. Nothing's gonna change. I'm not gonna know these people still, but it will be really cool to just know how to identify myself. It'll just be really neat. I've just always wanted to know. I've known I was a mutt my whole life, which is awesome. I love being a mutt. I think having a mix of all types of cultures is beautiful, and yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to share my results with you guys. Don't make fun of me. I don't know a ton about geography. I'm probably gonna be like, what is this place? Never heard of this place. Honestly, I don't know what it's gonna say. There has been talk that my dad's real father was another man and he was from New York. So that could be literally any background, any culture. But yeah, I don't know. I could have some Native American. Obviously there's some white in there. European. I do feel like I'm gonna be mostly European, obviously. And there is gonna be some Thai in there, but you know, I have no idea. So I'm really excited to get these results. Let's just go ahead and get to them. Got my antique laptop out here, missing half the buttons for your results. Click. Okay. What? Okay, so there's no big percentage. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna roll through the results for you guys, but I'm gonna explain it as I'm seeing it as well. Okay, so there's no big percentage. There's 23% European Jewish. That's my highest percent. So I was right. I am totally a mutt. What does that mean? This laptop sucks, by the way. Places in this region: Lithuania, Latvia, Belarus, Ukraine, and Western Russia. Wow. I'm shook. I don't... Okay, the next one is, the next highest percentage is Great Britain, 21%, which is really cool. Primarily located in England, Scotland, and Wales. Your DNA shows that you have ancestry from Great Britain and links you to these specific regions: Georgia and Florida settlers. Makes sense. Okay, East Asia is 13%, or Asia East, primarily located in Russia, China, North Korea, South Korea, Mongolia, blah blah blah. It would be Thailand. That would be what my Thai is 13%. Now I did a little research about how DNA works, and basically every person gets a certain percentage and it's just random. So my brother could have a totally different percentage, even though technically we both have the same dad and we both have a white mom. It's totally random upon like how much percentage of whatever it is you get, but it makes sense that I would have 13%. 11% Scandinavia, which is Sweden, Norway, and Denmark, which I love. I love that so much. I identify so much with their way of life, the way that they embrace hygge, which I would love to do a video about. It's just about being cozy. Like, I identify with that so much, and I actually have clients who are from Denmark, and I love talking to them so much. So I could be from there a little bit. I love that so much. The next one is 9%. Asia Central. What does that mean? Okay. Primarily located Afghanistan, all of those Istans, Uzbekistan, all of those Istan. 9% Middle Eastern, basically. Oh my God. I'm such a mutt. Okay, I'm getting carried. Okay. Calm down. Okay, the next one is 6% Europe West. That means it's primarily located in Belgium, France, Germany, Netherlands, Switzerland, other words that I can't pronounce. That was 6%. And then 6% Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. Wow. I've always heard that we had some Irish, so that makes sense. By the way, I've always wanted to go to Ireland. Holy crap. I am legit shook. Shook. And I don't even like that word, but there's no other word to describe this. I don't even have any, let's see, low confidence regions. I'm not sure what that means. Iberian Peninsula, 3%. Okay, this is like what you, like less than. whatever percentage. Okay, so Iberian, 3%. That's Spain and Portugal. 3%. Spain or Portugal. What? Asia South. That would be India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. That is 2%. Polynesia, 2%, which is really cool. Europe South, which is Italy or Greece, is 2%, which is really cool. I know it's just 2%, but I don't have huge percentages anyway. Anywhere. I've always wanted to go there. Native American, womp womp. It's less than 1%, but I do have some. It counts. It does count. And then Middle East, less than 1%, also counts, which is Syria, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, etc. Israel. What? It's insane. I have to get my husband. I have to go get my husband. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm literally so shook. We knew I was a mutt, right?
Yeah.
I'm the biggest mutt you've ever met. Like, I don't have any high percentages of anything. I'm just straight up a mutt. Like, I'm a little bit Jewish. I'm a little bit Scandinavian.
It means you have a probability of being that. That doesn't mean exactly what you are.
I know what it means. I've done research, babe.
It's crazy. Look, you got Central Asian and East Asian. South Asian. You're like...
I'm everything. Okay, so this means Latvia, Lithuania. That's my biggest percent. Then Great Britain, which would be England, Scotland, and Wales, would be my next biggest percent. Asia East, which would be my next biggest percent, is Thailand.
Yeah, what's the percentage on that?
It's 13%. Then the next one would be 11%, which is Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. And you know how much I love that. You know how much I love Denmark and all, like...
You don't even eat fish. How can you be from there? I love fish.
I would eat their fish if I went there. And then the next one is 9%, which would be Afghanistan.
Uzbekistan?
Yeah.
Man. My wife's Uzbekistan.
And the next one is 6%,
Liechtenstein.
which would be like Belgium, France, Germany, Netherlands, Switzerland, those other words I can't pronounce.
Look what it says. Georgia and Florida settlers.
Yeah.
So your DNA shows your ancestry from West European nations and links you to these specific regions.
I'm like...
What do you think you were going to be?
I have no idea. I didn't know everything. I didn't know I was going to be literally everything.
What?
It's so cool, babe.
You're Jewish.
And that's my biggest percent. Maybe my dad's dad was Jewish, the one from New York.
It's pretty racist, but yeah. Trying to say all Jews live in Miami and New York.
I don't mean it racist. I mean, oh my god.
It's cool, man.
Okay, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun reading further into this. I'm still shook. I just don't know. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and experiencing this with me. I just don't know. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You're my favorites. Peace and love.